Did you know that you can now promote 10 products or 10 affiliate offers all using a single video? Yes, without ever creating your own video. You can use free videos from YouTube and turn them into promotions that pay you commissions each and every day. And the best part is, you don't even need to have a website. You can do all this without a website or a domain name or even hosting. Are you wondering how all this is possible? Introducing VIDDX, a brand new cloud-based software that uses the power of free videos to get you unlimited commissions, sales and traffic using the #1 video website in the world. Take a look at all these commissions that were earned from a single video campaign without ever spending any money. Over more than $800 made from just one VIDDX campaign in a single day without ever creating a video, all using free videos and free traffic. Now you can promote offers from ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, Best Buy, Shopify, or literally any affiliate network or your own online stores and get paid every single day without having to create videos. Do you want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you log into your VIDDX account, all you need to do is Step 1, create a new campaign. Step 2, add different product videos from YouTube into your campaign and add a description and call to action for each video. Select the duration and time frame. Step 3, hit publish and your campaign is now ready to launch. What you will get is a beautiful video page that is hosted by us, and you can start promoting this on your own, or you can press one button to promote it across the top social networks on the internet. On this video page, there are several videos stitched into one, and you can see the right description and call to action as each video plays one after the other. Now all you need to do is share one page and you can promote multiple offers, multiple products using just the one campaign without ever having to create videos, leverage the hard work done by others and make money yourself. This is brilliant. All this gives you a great recipe to make money online. And if you're working your ass off creating videos without any results, you need to stop right now. All you need is VIDDX and you can create amazing video pages promoting various offers all at the same time, paying you commissions over and over again. You don't need a domain name, you don't need hosting, you don't need expensive video software, and you don't need to create videos from scratch. All you need is VIDDX, and your video campaigns can be ready in seconds. Launch them, share them, and then earn commissions without doing any hard work. Our aim is to make earning commissions very, very simple for you, and that's exactly what we've done here. And the best part is, you can create unlimited campaigns, promote unlimited products, wherever you want to promote 3 products, 5 products, or 10 products. You can do all that with the brand new VIDDX platform. Now take a look at all these commissions that were earned from a single video campaign without ever spending any money. More than $800 made from just one VIDDX campaign in a single day without ever creating a video, all using free videos and free traffic. Now, do you want to get results like these without spending money on traffic or creating videos? All you need to do is get instant access to the VIDDX software today. We have a very special deal open for you right now on this amazing software, and all you need to do is click the button below and grab it before the price goes up. Video offers are the best thing you can do to earn commissions. Make sales online, and when you don't even have to create videos, it makes it super simple. You can churn out 10 new campaigns every single day and earn commissions from each one. That is the power of the VIDDX software, and today you can get unlimited license to this software while this special offer lasts. So hurry up, claim it now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Create a brand new campaign in 1 minute. So add campaign, and we name campaign dog training campaign. So let's search for some image. We found one, click on it, cool. Add some description and hit proceed. Cool. Now add first video, it's training one, and search for some videos on YouTube. Hit search. Nice. Let's select this one and let's run it for 40 seconds. Add our affiliate link, which is ClickBank offer. Change the text to display. Target new window, and let's make the font a little bigger, more visible. Hit insert, and the video is inserted. Now let's add another video, training 2, and find new video again from YouTube. Select this one and let's add like 1 minute 7 seconds and add affiliate link in the description. URL, change the text to display, add target. Okay, so font changed, hit insert, done. Alright, your campaign is ready, but I'm going to quickly add another video here. Now we have to publish this campaign. Alright, published, and the campaign is ready. Hit view, and this is the campaign front page. Right, so let's begin. Yeah, so the first video started, and this is the affiliate link. If you click, or the visitors click on this link, it will take the visitors to the affiliate offer. Now the first section is finished, and the visitors are asked to check the next video, and also under the next video there is an affiliate, the same affiliate link, and when they click on that link, this is the affiliate offer. Right, thank you. Hey, this is Marsh. Welcome to VIDDX. Let me show you one of our campaigns and results. So basically we wanted to make more sales of multiple products using the same campaign and using free videos from YouTube. So here is what we have done. Let's go and hit edit. So in this campaign we promoted 2 different products from 2 different vendors from 2 different network. So it was WP affiliate machine from Ankur Shukla. It was listed on Warrior Plus, and Mapify 360 from HanFan. It was listed on JVZoo, and they launched in almost same time. So we wanted to promote both, and we wanted to make sales from both offers. So this was how the page looked like. All right, let me just quick refresh. Right, we made this image little captivating, so people just wanted to click and see what happens inside. And this is the headline, and this was the description on what people are expecting from this video. So here's what happened. The first video, we combined 3 different videos, free videos from YouTube. The number one was a content video. It was from Neil Patel. It was tips from affiliate marketing. We ran it for like 10 to 15 seconds maximum, but just for this case study I squeezed the time to 4 seconds, so you know how it worked. And the next video, immediately next video, was a chopped off review. I mean, yeah, we just chopped the review from another free video, and I will show you how you did it. That was a review and a demo of a WP affiliate machine, and immediately after that we showed the demo and review of Mapify 360. So here is how it looked like. So first, the visitors watched the tip, the awesome tip from Neil Patel. It ran from 10 to 15 seconds, and immediately after that they saw this page. It said easy affiliate commission tips from Neil Patel, ready to make affiliate commissions now. So they either clicked here and watched that demo video, or they clicked this link and went to the WP affiliate machine sales page and purchased from there. So what happens if you click next? Alright, this video starts. So there is one funny thing. This video was longer, right? We just kept the part we wanted to show our visitors. That's the beauty of VIDDX. So we wanted only the section where Ankur Shukla showed the demo and review of his product, and not the bonuses and the other introductions or conclusions from the video owner. The video owner was Mike from Maine, by the way. And once this section finished, immediately Mapify 360 demo and review started in the same way, and the customers the visitors saw the link, affiliate link to Mapify 360 under that video. So this is how we ran this campaign. In the same campaign, we used 3 different videos and made sales. One was content video and 2 were demo review video, and we made sales from both. Let me show you the results. Let's log into my Warrior Plus affiliate account at the same time. Okay, JVZoo account. Right, let's go to affiliate stats. Also, we'll go to JVZoo affiliate stats and we'll select the time. It was 4 days, 28th to 31st January. Go, and we'll go to affiliate transactions. Let's select custom, 28th January to 31st January. Let's make the rows to 50. Right, and there are other products and other sales. No, we used only hand fan, so we'll filter only hand fan. And also here you'll see we made 120 sales, which means $2,041 in commissions in 4 days. And from here, from this campaign, from this product, we made 16 sales and $317. So we sold multiple products, we made good money, and we used other people's videos, and we chose what section of each videos to show our visitors. And this is how we made money using VIDDX. And you can do the same as well. And you can also use VIDDX in many different ways. You can create captivating and vital content from free videos and share your content with your subscribers. And also you can get leads, traffic, and sales from social media by sharing these vital and captivating contents. And also you can make a lot of sales, generate a lot of leads for yourself and your clients. So if you find it helpful, if you understand the value of VIDDX, go click the buy button below this video or whichever page you are watching this video from and purchase right now, because the price is rising. And soon after the launch, new customers, after the launch, the customers will have to pay. The new customers after the launch will have to pay monthly recurring payments to get access to this software. So get your access now before it's too late.